Okay, so we're at a different tire shop, and it's 1,000 pesos, 100 pesos, 1,100 for a to change the tire, and with a new valve stem. 1,100, not 1,500 for some baloney skin. It's a good tire. And we're on Tambolt, T-A-M-B-O-L-T, Tambolt Street, which is near, there's a big college right there. So this is Michael Fazio in the Philippines, baby. We did get a good deal. I saved about 500 pesos, but I got an honest man right from the beginning. That first prick, he wanted 1,000 for a new tire, and then he wanted, when I came back for a used tire, 1,500 pesos, and then he wanted 2,500 for a new tire. I told him no, I don't want to do that. We have to clean this up a little bit. We're cleaning it. Yeah. Pasabot. Okay, thank you. Salamat. So he's got a wire wheel here, and he's going to polish this out. Okay. All for 1,100 pesos. The name of this building is Runway Tires. Runway Tires. That's the way I would have started it off, spinning that bad boy around. So let me take a look at this. Is this okay, this one? It's okay or no?
It's a new one.
This is a new one.
No.
You put a new one in? 100 pesos, yeah, he said? Okay, put a new one in. For 100 pesos, because these things... Let me have that. Yeah, this was all hardened anyway. The rubber was very brittle. It's been on there for 7 years that I know of. Could be on there for 20 years for all we know. So he's going to put a new skin on there. The new tire is in relatively good shape. Tubeless. That has. The other guy wanted 1.5 for a baloney skin. Had no treads on it at all. And he has a baloney skin in the back that if it would have fit, it would have been 350 pesos. So the other guy wanted a 1,500 for a baloney skin. This guy wanted 350 for a baloney skin. So the other guy was charging me 4 times the price for a piece of shit tire. You gotta shop here in the Philippines. You just gotta shop. That's all there is to it. You gotta know what you're doing too. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna wish that you didn't do it to begin with. So the other guy wanted 1,500 for a baloney skin, and they have baloney skins in the back for 350. For this grade of tire, they didn't have in the other shop, and the new tire was 2,500. And I don't need a 2,500 peso tire. It's a $50 tire to put on a trailer that may never go anywhere. Simple. And then he's going to check it for leaks, of course, but boy, that black tire looks good on that yellow rim, doesn't it? Thank God for Jesus and the color yellow, because without the color yellow, you go to hello, baby. Paint it yellow or go to hello.